Question 10. Into double figures, we're nearly there. So, I surveyed fruit juices. Here were the results. It says 20 more children chose grape than apple. So we need to find out how many percent 20 is. So 30% chose grape and 25% chose apple. So that leaves us 5%, that's the difference between grape and apple, as in A. So if 5% of the kids represent 20 children, then the numbers in the survey, 10% will therefore be 40 children, and 100% will, in that case, be 400 children. Now it says in B, Chen makes a pie chart to show the results. What angle should he use for the children who chose mango? Well, obviously 25% has a 90-degree angle because it's a quarter. So 31% chose mango, that's 31 out of 100. Fraction, or the decimal, is 0.31. So 0.31 is what we need to find of 360. 0.31 of 360 is just about 112 degrees.